To create a job from the main menu, click on Job. This can be used to arrange the type of test you want to perform. Select the plus sign to create another job and name it according to the test points you want. You can go here and enter the prefix. In this case we enter a test as an example. Now you can set the first test point, for example 01. An example for the last point could be 12. Now the job is defined. It will go from test 01 to test 12. Once you are done, click on the check mark to accept it. The new job is automatically selected. So when you are going to do your test, it is going to be placed in this folder with the name and the suffix you selected.